So today we're going to Southcoast CQB. I've only been there once before, and I went there when it was dark. And not gonna lie, I fucking hated it. Like, everyone's just sat in like windows in the dark. You can't even see people. Just like stupid play. I've been desperate to go back there in the daylight because the actual layout of the site is like right up my street. So I'm really excited. I'm certain I'm gonna love it. The only thing is I don't have my MTW with me today. It is got a little solenoid problem, which is getting fixed. But I literally feel naked go in there without it. I don't know. I ain't not played with my MTW since I bought it. Literally, I got tons of guns. Brought tons of guns since the MTW, but it's not the same. But we'll have some fun. I've got a couple crazy pistols with me. I've got my shotty and we've got the KWA just as backup. But we're gonna have some fun. Got a little surprise for everyone. I'll show you guys first though, if I can get one out. We have, because I got a bright pink anodized pistol, people always make remarks on it. So Sam, who we're about to pick up, managed to 3D print me a muzzle for it. As you can tell, it's a dick, so that's quite funny. I'm sure I get loads of remarks, but people always salty about getting shot up with a pink pistol anyway, let alone with a giant bell end on the end of it, so that's going to be funny. Especially if Rachel's running it. If Rachel's running in a room and clearing a room and they cry that getting overkilled by a girl and bright pink pistol with a bell end on the end, that's going to be quite funny. But either way, don't really know what to expect from today with the gun situation, but it's going to be a good laugh. We're going to go and pick up Sam and Tom now.
It's Tom's first time.
Yeah, Tom's first time ever actually. So maybe we'll just go jump on the other team and put a load of rounds in him if we can. But we're meeting 2 others there, so it should be a good laugh. No Barbie though, shit weather, but it is what it is. Hope you enjoy.
Turn left to stay on Red Lion Lane.
Two threes. You wanna hold it?
For fuck's sake. What weight?
2 threes. I've got a couple for you. So in this video we're doing things a little bit different. We're not actually going to put any hit markers in or anything like that. This is probably one of the worst hit golden places we've been to. There's no point trying to put hit markers on because, I mean, I'm not going to claim I was hitting them or whatever. I'll leave it down to you guys to judge. There's some good gameplay amongst this. There's quite a few funny comments in there. So hope you still enjoy it, but you're going to make your own judgment. Really?
Target proof.
Yeah, dead man.
Dead.
How the fuck was I not hitting this fucker? That's it then, let's do it. Don't know which way to go. Gotta watch the windows. Hit! Dead man!
didn't fire.
No, did he get you?
No.
No, okay. It's just when you bounce back, I'm guessing it's just...
No, I shit myself because it didn't fire.
Rush. Go, 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 go. Rush, rush, rush.
Can't rush anywhere, mate.
Rush, go! Go, go, go. Pressure, pressure!
Yeah, dead man. Dead man, dead man, dead man. Behind the hut.
Around the corner. Well, clear. Got him?
Right at the very end. Right at the very end. The very end. Yeah. Yeah, but yeah. Yeah, push it, Brian, push it. Push it, Rach. Move, Rach, move. Miles, turn your hop up. Yeah, good job. Just don't trust me, do they? Shoot like fuck, Miles. Shoot like fuck. I need ya. Just shoot, Miles. Miles. Fuck. Ignore Brennan because this gun doesn't even fucking work. Are they ready up to this corner? Miles. Oh.
He's going to be peeking around that there. He's in the window. Come on.
Oh, sorry. We won't make it. I just tried to run that a minute ago. I hit you. I did actually get him then. Yeah, cover that doorway while I go, Miles. Miles, cover that doorway, mate. Where that? Right. Yeah, go left. Hit! Guys, push up, I've gained it. Guys, push up.
side, mate. There's fucking noise out in the field. I know, I've only had one. Miles, just move around this corner. That's it, we want to hold this. Miles, where they at, mate? Good. Are they even on this side, Sam, or just the far end? Oh shit, that was a yellow. A yellow's just pushed down there. You can throw a pyro around there. You're not shooting? Yeah, good shot. Yeah, watch that. Hit. I'll take it, but he won't. Maybe walk wider, maybe. You're about to do it again. You're about to do it again. Yeah. Okay. Huh? It's just like, why hold this wall? With pleasure. You won't like that. I've got one.
Might be out, I don't know.
I did get one through the window. Whereabouts is it, Brandon? Got me straight away. Can we get further than I've spawned this side? No.
Possibly not.
Nah. Nips aren't too cool in it. You ready? It's mad, isn't it? Mate, that guy. Come on, come on. Yay! Watch out, Bannon, go low. No, come on, come on. Are they still on the street, yeah?
No, mostly dead,
Huh? What do you want me to take? Your dick? You want me to take your wiener?